Vroom, vroom, here we go, little cars on the road. Red, blue, yellow, two driving through the town with you. And round the track we race, every car has its place. Big wheels, small wheels, rolling free, driving here and there with glee. In the park we find a spot, parking neatly, not a lot lights that flash, horns that beep, little cars don't miss a beat. Over bridges, through tunnels wide, taking friends for a ride. With a smile and a wave, every car is feeling brave. At the end of the day we rest, each little car has done its best in the garage, nice and snug. Goodnight, cars a cozy hug. Through the streets the engines hum, every car's a friend to come. Little tires spin around, making such a happy sound. Zooming fast, having fun underneath the shining sun. Tiny cars beep beep, hurry, let's drive